So we're going to try and turn it over. Nothing. Looks like the battery. So cleaned up the terminals and that. Yeah, I think I need a new battery.